We got another one. This one's the sweet version. What's up everybody? Welcome back to The Raw Edge. I'm High Raw Nick, and today we're making mango habanero noodles. I wanted to make a recipe that's a little bit pantry friendly in light of our quarantine situation. You know, everyone's talking about coronavirus, you're stuck at home. Maybe you don't have all of the ingredients you might want. So that's why this recipe is going to be using mainly ingredients you can find at your local grocery store and stuff that will store well. The fresh ingredients that we'll be needing today are some zucchinis. I already spiralized these and made some noodles out of them. Fresh garlic if you have it. You can use garlic powder instead. And then a little bit of orange juice. And the rest of the stuff, pretty easily accessible. Stores in the pantry. So this will be really great for your quarantine needs. So the fresh ingredients we'll be using today are zucchinis. I'm using green ones. You can use yellow zucchini squashes if you want to, if you can find those, or kelp noodles would also be really good. So it just depends what you can find. I know grocery store supply is a little bit limited right now, so just do with what you have. Let's go ahead and make this. This is going to be a nice sweet recipe. Don't worry if you don't like spicy. I'll show you which ingredients you can leave out and it'll still be really delicious. Alright, so I'm going to be making 3 servings of this today. Let's see, I got some dates here, already pitted. I measured out a cup and a half. We'll see how many I use. So let's go ahead and start out our mango habanero sauce with a cup of pitted dates. I've also got a cup of dried mango. You can get this at Costco, so if you have a membership, cool, and if not, you can also order this stuff online. Amazon is really good about shipping, still going good right now, so alright, so let's go ahead and put in all that mango, because we want this to be really mango, really habanero. Well, if you don't like spicy, then don't worry about the habanero. But I do. Okay, and then I've got some soaked chia seeds here. I put in a 1/4 cup into this measuring cup, and then 3/4 of a cup of water, and it gets really gelatinous in there. So we're gonna get a really smooth and syrupy like dressing. So it'll be really good. Let's see how many times I do this in this video. Okay. So let's see, I think we might put all of this in here so we need the liquid. So let's see, we got that. And then we're going to add some spices to this. I got some ancho chili powder here. You can use whatever kind you have. Maybe you have paprika, maybe you have cayenne, whatever will work good. So let's go ahead and put 1 teaspoon of chili powder in here. You can put less if you don't like spice, but I really like it. And so do Darren and Tony. So we're also going to add a teaspoon of onion powder. And then we're going to add our fresh garlic cloves, and I got a little bit of habanero pepper here. Maybe it's about 5 large cloves in there. And if you don't have fresh garlic, for whatever reason, you can always substitute 1 tablespoon of garlic powder in this, and that'll be really good. And there it was again. Man, that's my favorite thing today, huh? Alright, so I'm just gonna put a little splash of fresh orange juice. I was lucky enough to have Tangelos today, but you can use whatever kind, Valencia oranges, whatever's at the store. Alright, so let's just do that much for now. And then let's blend it up and see what kind of a texture we get. Oh, my setup is too, I wanted to get close to the light today so y'all can see my little face here, but I'm also far away from any plugs, outlet plugs, so I'm gonna blend this over here in the corner. Could use a little bit more orange juice. Make sure it doesn't get too watery though, because these zucchini noodles are pretty hydrating, and it'll like soak out the water from the noodles when you put the sauce in, so you don't want it to become a soup. So make sure this dressing stays a little bit thick. I think I'm gonna put also a teaspoon of red chili flakes in there too, because I want it more spicy. You can leave this out if you don't like it spicy. You can also leave out the habanero if you don't like it spicy. Just a little bit of chili powder for the flavor, you know? Alright, so now it's time to mix together our delicious noodly dish, and this is gonna make you feel good. Alright, let's use this ginormous bowl. Noodles going in. Doesn't this look amazing? Look at that. Like, zucchini it up. Alright, so I've just washed my hands, so I'm going to mix this with my hands because I tried to do it with tongs last time and it's a lot more efficient with your hands. I like this blender because you can just open it up and let the dressing out. It doesn't look that appealing, but this is how it works. Alright, so we'll just get the extra out of there and get some out of the bottom here. And then we're just gonna mix it all up. Don't be afraid to get your hands in here. Just be careful not to break the noodles, because you want it to be all nice and long and fun. Get it all nice and distributed in there. You know, if you're just trying out raw recipes for the first time, you don't have to have this for dinner. You can have it for lunch, or I know a lot of people aren't really comfortable with having raw food as a meal right off the bat. So, you know, it's kind of like a pre-dinner snack if you want, but I definitely love making most of my meals raw. So, okay. Ooh, that looks good. And then I'm gonna top it with even more chili flakes after, because I want this to be atomic. But I still got y'all in mind. I know not a lot of you like really spicy food, so we're making this a little tame. Alright. We got another one. This one's the sweet version. Alright, and then let's just plate it on this humongous skillet here. Y'all don't really like last time when I put my salad on this skillet, so we're gonna do it again. Y'all just want to see a big old heaping helping of raw food, right? And those dried mangoes, I didn't hydrate them before putting them into the dressing, because those little mango pieces will get rehydrated as this marinates. And you'll get all those nice little mango chunks. And then I'll just top it with some red chili flakes. Mmm. Mango habanero noodles, y'all. All raw, all vegan, lots of healthy plant calories, because if you're eating raw food, you want to eat enough to get full, because eating the most raw food that you can in your day is what's going to make you feel amazing. Ooh, that looks really good. We got a winner, guys. Alright guys, check it out. Mango habanero noodles, pantry friendly. No excuses now. Hop on into Costco, get some dried mango, or I'll put the link below in the description so you can order dried mango to make this. Or you can use fresh mango and just no orange juice, you know, get creative. It's all about just finding new creative ways to eat more produce. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload new content. And I'll be coming at you with more raw recipes, more tips and tricks, and more advice on how to live your best life. You know, this is